Houston, this is Commander Feeble from the Space Shuttle Inferior.
No, Feeble.
Yes, we are now conducting a spacewalk. Captain Snivel is outside the Space Shuttle right now.
Status report.
Spacewalk is going perfectly. No malfunctions. Houston, we'll call you back.
Captain, what's wrong?
I'm just stuck. I can't get back in the shuttle. Can't breathe. Running out here.
He's stuck.
What are we going to do?
I don't know.
What's that, ahead?
What the?
And who are you?
Who are you?
And who are you?
I'm Repairman!
Repairman?
I'm the Repairman. I can repair anything and everything.
Can you repair that giant hole you just made in our shuttle?
Yeah.
No!
No! No!
No!
No! No, something tells me that your space hatch is a wee bit stuck.
And how do you know that?
This is because I didn't have enough lines.
Never you mind. I have a space hatch to repair, and repair it I will. And I'll stand back and cover your goodies. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Sir, that's very dangerous.
Tiny here, boom. Oh, is anybody losing blood? Oh, 'cause that would be terrible, of course.
See there? That hatch won't be giving you a quack of trouble anymore.
He didn't die! He's alive, I tell you! Alive, alive, alive!
There is no more hatch.
You blew it to smithereens!
I didn't teach you that.
The cyborg from the future talks in cliches. What a surprise.
Don't thank me.
Don't worry.
Maybe we should go back, boss. It's not nice to leave them there.
Sweet air! Captain, are you okay? Oh, yeah, I'm all right. Thanks a lot. I love you too. Who are you?
Why, I'm...
We're the Cyber Squad.
The hacker to you.
Repairman!
Where did that ominous voice come from?
And what's that noise?
Because you're a genius, duh.
You forgot Shake.
Echo Schmecko! Now stand aside while I fix your jetpack.
What are you doing?
Nothing? Jetpack, this is number one. My jetpack, let's leave people. Here comes the patch!
Oh, man.
Ay, caramba.
There's nothing.
You've killed Captain Snivel!
Not again. Yes, again.
It was easy!
Right?
You're everything a repairman shouldn't be.
Thank you!
Sorry.
Whatever. Creepy guy alert.
I know! He's just to die for!
Houston Control to USS Inferior. Commander Feeble, do you read me?
Yes, yes, I read you.
Uh-oh. That red light is blinking.
I'll do it.
I can repair that.
No!
That red light's supposed to blink. Blinking is good. Please don't bother repairing. Please, please, I'm begging you.
Pretty. You know, this view makes me feel glad to be almost alive. Ah, this bog smells just like my first graveyard. Ooh, they're eating you alive. I'm so jealous.
Tune in next time for the continuing adventures of...
The Cyber Squad.
The hacker to you.
Repairman!